over 78 million active Apple Music users, and if you're one of them, I have 10 tips, tricks, and hacks I guarantee you'll use, starting with a little hidden gesture. Okay, this is such a cool feature that so many people have no idea you can do. If you swipe on any song in Apple Music, it reveals this hidden menu, where you then have a couple of options like adding that song to the end of your playlist. So now, if you go into your playing next, you'll see that song right at the end. Another quick thing you can do is rearrange your songs just by holding on those 3 lines. Okay, but that's not all for our little hidden menu. If you swipe to the left, you'll see this plus icon that instantly adds that song to your library, and if you swipe again, you get even more options like downloading or deleting the song. So again, as soon as you head into your library, the song you just added will be right there. And if you want to be even quicker, there is also this gesture where you just long swipe and it instantly plays next or adds to your library. I mean, how cool is that? So did you know that Apple Music's lyrics are so accurate, you can actually use them to scrub through a song? It's actually such a cool feature, and to get to the lyrics, you just click on that little icon in the bottom left-hand corner. But now, if you scroll through and tap on the lyrics, the entire song has scrubbed to that section. So if you wanted to hear specific lyrics, just tap on them, the song will scrub there, and now you can literally just enjoy. It's also unbelievably fast and responsive. So again, no matter what section of the song you choose, it instantly changes, and there's like no waiting time. And check this out, it's not just English, this works with just about any song in any language. Another cool thing you can do is scroll right down to the bottom of the lyrics and see who wrote the song. So, a great playlist is not just about great music, you also need these. And what exactly am I talking about? Well, if you go and create a new playlist, did you know you can choose any picture as your playlist thumbnail? In fact, this is not just for new playlists, but any playlist you create, you can change the thumbnail. You can also change the name or create the name of your playlist, and finally add a description of what kind of songs are in there. You can also add emojis and basically go crazy so that all your playlists look really cool. On top of that, to make your playlist even better, if you click those 3 little dots and tap edit, you can rearrange the order of your songs just by clicking and holding down on those 3 little lines. I think you can see what I'm getting at here. There is so much more to a playlist than just adding songs. So go ahead, customize all your playlists and make them look good. Because once you're happy with your playlist and you're rocking to those jams, you can just go ahead, click on those 3 little dots again, and now share your epic playlist with your friends. So instead of them receiving a super standard, kind of boring playlist, they'll now receive your super customized premium one-of-a-kind playlist. Hell yeah. Now get this, Apple allows you to download 100,000 songs for offline listening. So with that many songs, you're gonna need some space. But before I show you that, other than clicking and holding down on a song, then tapping that download icon, you can actually do a lot more when it comes to downloads. For example, aside from downloading entire albums and playlists, you can also download a bunch of music videos. On top of that, if you head into settings and tap on Apple Music, then go down to automatic downloads and toggle this on, now what happens is anytime you add any song, playlist, album, or music video to your library, it'll automatically download that straight away. Then about that vital storage we need for all these songs, if you head into the Apple Music settings and scroll down until you see optimized storage, make sure you toggle that on, because now anytime there's a song you haven't listened to in a while, it'll automatically remove it. Now, to free up even more space, you can head into settings under music and just turn off lossless and Dolby Atmos. Then you can really download like a kajillion songs. Now for this next one, did you know you can turn Siri into a bit of a DJ? If you're really digging a song, you can literally tell Siri to make a station. Then she will find a whole bunch of other songs similar to the one you were just listening to and create an endless playlist of music you really enjoy. The wild and kind of mind-blowing thing about Apple Music is just how good it is at finding the music you enjoy. You can also tell Siri, hey, I love this song, and she will automatically improve your playlist. Also, if you really like an artist, you can just tell Siri to play more of this artist. I would seriously suggest that you play with all the different commands because there are so many. So another sweet thing you can do with Apple Music is use it in the Photos app. So check this out. If you open up an album and click on those three little dots, you'll see this option to play memory video. And it'll start creating a memory out of all those pictures and videos. But if you tap on this little music icon and tap again, it'll open up all these different music options that you can use to play with your memory, or you can search in Apple Music. So instead of using one of their pre-selected songs, you can go through Apple Music, find whatever song you enjoy, add it to your memory, and now you're done. So anytime you go back to this For You section in the Photos application, you'll see that memory you saved with your favorite song. However, if you try to share that memory, it'll show you this little pop-up that says choose shareable soundtrack. So all those pre-selected songs are actually ones that you can use for your memory and then share onto other platforms like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, you name it. So, Apple bought Shazam, but how does that make Apple Music any better? Well, for one, if you're on an iPhone and swipe down on Control Center, you'll see this little Shazam icon that as soon as you press, not only can it recognize music playing around you, but also any music playing on your phone. Then straight away you can click open and it'll open up in your Apple Music where you can add it to a playlist or whatever. Or what's even better is you can go into Shazam settings and toggle on this Sync Shazams to Apple Music. Then what happens is anytime you Shazam a song, it will automatically add that song to your Shazam playlist on Apple Music. That is awesome. So if searching with Shazam doesn't rock your boat, you can search with lyrics. So I know I'm not the only one who sometimes remembers lyrics over the name of the song. So make sure you're in Apple Music and not your library, then type in whatever lyrics it is that you remember, and bam, like magic, Apple Music finds you a bunch of options with those lyrics in them, and now you can just sift through them until you find the exact song you were looking for, or scrub through the lyrics to see if you were right when searching for the song. And if you're feeling particularly groovy, you can share a specific part of the song by holding down on the lyrics, selecting them, and then sharing them to whoever you want. It's a lot of fun. Now let me show you something alarming about Apple Music. So here it is. A lot of people have absolutely no idea Apple Music can do this. If you go into the music settings, click on Dolby Atmos and turn it off, then head back to the main settings, click on audio quality and toggle lossless audio off, then go into Apple Music and find, say, a song that you'd love to wake up to and download it to your library. And finally, after all of that is done, head into the clock application, then go ahead and add a new alarm. Because what is alarming is you can choose any song from Apple Music to wake up to. All you need to do is click on pick a song, it'll take you into Apple Music, and then make sure you select that song you just downloaded to your library. This will not work if the song is firstly not downloaded, and also if you have not done that Dolby Atmos and lossless audio setting. So make sure you do those. And now, depending on how you want to feel that day, you can just set a different alarm with a different song for each day of the week. So here's a few nifty hacks you can do. While listening to songs, if you ever want to see your playlist history, click on that icon and then just swipe down and voila, you can see every single song you've just listened to. If you're into music videos, you can also download and add them to playlists. So you just go ahead, find your favorite music video, add it to a playlist, and bam, you've got your own little MTV. And if you're really digging a particular song, you can create a station out of it and create an infinite queue of similar songs. If you guys want to jam to some of my favorite songs, you can tune into the playlist down below, or you can tune into one of these videos, which I'm super sure you'll enjoy. Otherwise, I will see you in the next one. Toodles!